Even though it was very small in scale, it was very big in people's minds and in people's hearts.
That was the place to go. Meet you at the Goody Goody. Okay.
The Goody Goody was where you took your date when you wanted to show off.
It was a cheap date, but we didn't make much money. And while the waitresses were gone, you could smooch a little bit.
I dated my wife there.
My dad proposed to my mother at Goody Goody's. I like to say, because of good food, the answer was yes.
We called it the secret sauce because no one could figure out what the Goody Goody sauce was.
I still want to know what's in that sauce.
I was addicted for years to Goody Goody hamburgers with their nice spicy sauce.
I always wanted extra sauce.
That sauce and the pickles made an incredible amalgam of taste, almost like electricity in your mouth. It was like a perfect combination.
Oh, the sauce. The sauce made it.
But there's still a secret to it.
It's an American experience. It's really an American experience.